Alright, hello there. This is Aaron over at Booyah Farms, and I'm going to do a quick but sad update on my peach tree harvest, which I'm going to get some alright peaches off of this thing. I messed up this year. I should have thinned this tree out, and it's kind of proved itself out. This tree was huge. If you look right there, everything's pretty broke. Just broke another branch the other day, and I decided not to do any pruning or thinning on this peach this year, and it's kind of come back to bite me in the butt. And hey, you live and learn. But it'll be back. This is a mid-pride peach. You can see there's some artichokes popping up from underneath it. But well, I've still got some peaches coming off this tree. Here's one right here. Let's take a look at this one right here. I mean, that's a good looking peach. That is a very good looking peach. Let's give it a try. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a real good peach. So anyways, I'm gonna pick some peaches off this thing, and I think the only reason this branch didn't break is because of the walls holding it up. And I'm gonna do a little quick pruning of this, and we'll see what we end up with. But that is still a very good peach. And next year, you guys are gonna all see some peach thinning videos, because this did not work out the way I expected this year. Oh well. Alright, so we're back. The peaches that are on this branch, growing over the fence, are not quite ripe yet. The ones that were on this branch that fell over are. Let me show you here. You guys gotta excuse my camera stuff. But artichokes in the way. I filled up. That's 10 pounds of peaches right there off a broken branch. So, and I wanted to show you all something real quick. So you got a peach here, and the way you tell they're really ripe is you push on them. This one's got some give. I can push actually if I wanted to, I could push my finger through that. The ones that aren't ripe yet, like the ones that are on this branch going up and over the fence, they're still rock hard. So they're not quite ready to be picked yet. The branch hasn't broken. I'm going to live with what I got right now. I've got a big colander full of peaches. It's not the greatest batch of peaches. This tree probably had 1,000 peaches on it one time, and it all fell to shit. But it happens, and you know, preserving peaches is a pain in the ass anyway, so we'll do preserving peaches next year. I want to show you guys something about pruning trees with broken branches, though, just real quick. So you can see right here, here's branch broken, laying, you know, falling down on the ground. This is what we got this little colander of peaches off of. So your natural instinct would be, hey, let's cut it right here below this break. But that's not really how you want to cut it. Just because there's so much weight on this branch still, that if you cut it like this, you won't get a clean cut. So the other way to do it, the right way, is you come over here on the broken side and you cut it. There we go. We got it cut. And there's some more peaches under I got to pick out. I'm a chop and drop guy too, so once I cut it, I just throw it on the ground and leave it there. But now we got this piece here. It's broken still, but there's no weight on it. So we can come back in here and without the weight on it, make a nice clean cut. Boom. Now, if you didn't do that, you would end up with a torn off cut. But you can see, that's a nice clean cut. This tree will grow back. There'll be more videos about it. I effed it up this year, but you live and learn, and we'll all get by in the end. I see a little crack down here. I might cut it back. Actually, I'm going to cut it back a little more just to get that crack out of there and get a really nice... Okay, that thing is cleaned up. It's cleaned up. It'll grow again. This will sprout out. More things will come, but this has been Aaron from Booyah Farms with a peach tree catastrophe, which we'll live through. Later.